Hi, my name is Matt, and a couple of days ago I made this video making this tiny little box. Well, I had a lot of fun making that video, and it's one of the fastest videos I've had to get to 100 views. So I thought, why not make this a little bit more of a regular thing? So, I'm going to start trying to make a video every week on Tuesday for a Tiny Turnings Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoy. My first one is going to make a tiny little water droplet, because it's so much fun. For these tiny turning videos, I'm going to try and do a little bit less voiceover. Please leave a comment below telling me whether or not you want more voiceover or less. Now for this specific turning, all I'm doing is making a small water droplet with a little bit of a rippling effect on the bottom. This is just going to be a small little placeholder, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Well, I know that was hard to see, but here it is, and I'm going to get you guys some nice beauty shots really soon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I hope this inspires you to try and make something of your own. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.